In this specific video of our SEO course, today we are going to talk all about optimization of URL in on-page SEO. Okay, now a website usually has many different pages, right? When we are doing on-page SEO work, we first need to pay close attention to the URL structure as well. The URL that we are currently creating, is it created according to the specific page's content? And is it properly optimized? So friends, today we are going to learn in detail about that when you create any page on your website. What points do you need to keep in mind when creating your URL? Friends, understand this important topic. Look, let's suppose for example, there is a domain name. It is www.abc.com, okay? And here the URL is like how to do digital marketing underscore course is the best. In this way, it's a very long URL. See another URL. It's www.abc.com/digital marketing course. Now look friends, these two different URLs were created on just one website. So now when we will talk about optimized URLs or SEO friendly URLs, the second one is considered the optimized or the ideal. If we look at it from an SEO point of view, a search engine point of view or user's point of view. First thing, if you are creating any optimized URL, then its character limit should be somewhere between 50 to 60 characters only. And create it so that it is short and quite crisp. That URL should make it clear if a user is on your website's page, they should know that they are on a digital marketing course page. For a digital marketing agency page, the URL should be digital marketing agency. Or let's suppose that it is a women's t-shirts page, so URL should be abc.com/women-t-shirt. That's how it works. What happens? We should avoid keeping unnecessarily long URLs. You should avoid making them long. In them, we shouldn't use stop words such as is, the, okay? Or words like on and off should also be avoided, and underscores must also not be used. Alright? And as you can see, our main keyword. If the URL that we are creating includes the page's primary keyword directly within it, suppose that digital marketing in SEO, I am doing SEO on that keyword for the course, okay? If my URL also contains digital marketing course, it will act as a primary keyword. Then it matches my page title, URL, the H1 tag in the content, and what your content is obviously relevant to. So this shows relevancy to the search engine and to the user. So having an optimized URL is really very important. It also shows a level of professionalism. It clearly tells the users and the SEO what this specific page is really about. Okay? So from now on, whenever you perform SEO, specifically on page SEO, when you create a page on WordPress or any normal website, or your website developer creates it, okay, and so then you should clearly give instructions that the URL of the page needs to be highly optimized, short, and it must be descriptive, which you can guide them on or provide in writing. So in this way, they will create an SEO friendly website with SEO friendly URLs for you. Thank you.